Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to try and do a Wip Chat. My camera is at a kind of funky angle. We are doing For the Birds. So this is the rooster that I've chosen to do. This is the one we did last time. He is quite colorful. He's got both sides. He hasn't been finished, so all this area in here that's not diamond painted is very sticky still. So I figured we'd lay him right there. These are the ones we still have to do. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to do. And this is the one I chose to do today. So I hope everybody is good. It is thundering and lightning outside today. We are working with the letter H, which is this fabulous red. But if you hear anything, thunder, lightning, or me scream, it's because, well, it's lightning and thunder. I'm not scared of lightning and thunder, but one just hit outside very close, and the thunder was loud. So those, that surprise me, scare me, so hopefully that's understandable to everybody. But just wanted to come on and spend a little time with everybody. So just got finished with, a little bit ago, with the live with Mr. Robbie and Debbie and Judy. It was hilarious. If you have not or was not there and have not already watched the hashtag replay, please do so, because it was hilarious. Their celebration of 420 was, it unleashed, guys. It was hilarious. It'll be one to watch if you haven't ever watched it. It's on Crafting with Judy's channel today. So go over there and watch her. It'll be under the lives. Right? So, quite hilarious. Thank you for a good time, ladies. And Robbie. He had to leave early. And I was so looking forward to hearing about his trip, and we didn't hear about his trip. Or I didn't. So, anyway, like I said, it is in my area of Texas. We are experiencing some lightning and thunder. Not sure about all of Texas, but I live in the part of Texas that is beautiful. It is green, and it is green because it rains. So you can't want to live in the beautiful part and then expect no rain. I know other parts of it look like where I just moved from, where it's oil rigs and desert and stuff. So I'm not going to complain, because it's what it is. All right, those are the H's, right? So we'll put these away. And what I've been doing is I do one side with you guys, and then I do the other side by myself, and then I bring you the completion on another video or another Wip Chat like I did with this one. So I'm trying not to shake you guys. If I do, I'm sorry. Like I said, all the kids are home. It is Saturday. So I'm trying to do something today, and so far so good. Somebody's shenanigans have not started. So, plus I gotta let them, I can't just do video after video, because, well, I gotta give them some downtime, because they're all being very quiet. Very good. I appreciate it, and so should you. Oh, that yellow against that red really looks good. Yeah, last night, at work, which that's where I was because I worked the graveyard shift or the evening shift, third shift, whatever you want to call it. It started misting about 1 o'clock. And since I have to be in and out of the car, I was wet, and then I dried, and then I was wet, and then I dried, and then I was wet. That makes for a miserable shift, right? So, yeah, I ain't going anywhere today in this rain. I know there's things I need to do. There's things I need to get out there and get done, but not today. I am in agreement. I just finished watching Miss Linda's Dragonfly Wip Chat, and I'm with her. It's one of those stay in your pajama days. I'm not in my pajamas, but you know, might as well be. So, but because I ain't going nowhere. It's rainy, it's wet, it's icky outside, and well, I've had all I can have of that today. All right, that's all the yellow, right? So we'll put the A's away. I did get out my specialty tool because on this one we have some of those teeny tiny teardrops, right? You know, the purple ones. So, all right, let's see what we got. We got a few little Y's. Oh, couldn't find those Y's. They are this orange, and it's going to stand out on that yellow. So, but I try and keep the cellophane on as long as possible because I really hate to, you know, stick myself to the project. So I'm just trying to work. Now I don't know if those were yellows or, yeah, no. Okay. Well, now I gotta stick myself to it because I don't think that's the right color. Those aren't Y's at all. Oh. I think so. Yep, it's on my finger. Okay. No, those are not Y's at all. Those are V's. Oh, that one is in the bed somewhere. That'll end up on Travis's butt. Just kidding. It won't end up on Travis's butt. Okay. These are a totally different color. And I'll try and get these on here instead. Not going to be as vibrant or as outstanding yet, really. But it'll be the right color. So, okay. Now, is there any other V's? Yes. I thought there was. They are down here on his feet, which I don't like to do to separate down here, but I will since we have it out. Oh, I let the cellophane fall down, and then I wondered why they didn't stick. Have you guys done that? Have you guys ever let it fall and not know that the cellophane is back on and try and put your drills on? I do it all the time, really. To be honest, I do it more than I'm want to admit that I do. Okay, there's his feet done. And we added some right here against this yellow. So, thank God I caught that. I'd have been doing it in the wrong color. Come on. Not sure when you don't want to go back in the bottle. Uh-oh. Oh. I put it safely somewhere. Okay. Let's see, is this a W or is it an M? It's the W. Whoop. Get back in there. Okay. Maybe this wasn't the wisest thing to do. I just tipped it forward and a couple of them popped out, which will probably end up on Travis's butt. That's just a joke we all say, because Travis has got a fear of having a diamond on his butt. He's sitting over there. He ain't saying anything, but he's sitting over there listening. He knows I'm right. Huh, Travis? You got a fear of having a diamond on your butt? Oh, there's some thunder. There is some thunder. Yeah, I guess Scott texted me and he said he was going to try and wait until the thunder or the rain is over before he gets out. He's got some stuff to get done too and don't want to get out in it. I was like, I ain't getting out in it. Nothing I need, or I don't need anything out there to go through more of getting wet and everything. I have this thing going on with my throat where it's not feeling all that great. Feeling like I have to clear it all the time. So, gonna take me some Emergency in a little while. Boost that immune system and see if I can't not make it any worse. Staying inside. All right. So, oh guys, it happened. I know in my one of my Wip Chats, I was talking to you guys about I don't have a fear of bugs, but I do not want them on me, and there are certain ones that make me do what I call a special dance, and it's just me acting like a fool, right? But I told you about the June bugs here that are coming out, and one that flew into the car the other day. Yeah. After I finished the Wip Chat last night, I had to do my job, and part of that was getting out of the car. So I got out of the car and done my thing and everything. I was done with the round, and I get back in my car or the car, and lo and behold, I look down and there is a damn June bug on my flippin' pants climbing up my leg. Yeah, didn't want to release him in the car, so I held my special dance or my flipping out. I slowly undone the car door, took my trusty dusty, bug swiper, which is AKA my phone, and I swept him out the door as fast as I could. As far away as I could, because I knew he was just going to fly back in. So I was like, oh, God, no, please, no. So he didn't fly back in, thank the goodness, because I would have lost my poop. But yeah, I looked down and I was just like, oh my God, he's on me. So I did good. I held it until I could get him out the flipping door. But, oh, did I ever want to get up and just scream and yank him off at me? But I don't know why. Common sense just told me, do not just hit him. But if you just hit him, he's just going to go in the car. Right? Okay, our next color is this really deep, and I don't know if it's coming through, but it's a deep blue. Almost like a really deep turquoise, color. So yeah, it happened. I thought, oh, thank God that didn't happen right before the live, because I had been all freaked out. Or the Wip Chat. Before I filmed, because I had been all flipped out. So, if it had happened before, I probably wouldn't have filmed. Because I was, I'd have been in no condition to film, because afterwards, it's just, ugh. And I'm constantly looking to see if there's another one on me. But, of course, right after that, it started to mist. So, of course, they didn't fly around. And the ones that were out, they got caught in it, drowned. So, because they don't like water. They flip over on their backs and in a puddle of water, they're goners. So, like I said. But after that, I had a different problem. I was constantly getting wet as I had to get out of my car, which is probably what's wrong with my throat. But, of course, it started happening before last night, so, yeah. I'm sure last night didn't help it any. The wind, the mist, everything going on. So boosting that immune system is about the best thing I think I can do. So today's is for the birds. I'm going to try and film the cupcake one, which I don't know why the theme of that one just went out the window in my head. So, and that window obviously isn't my mouth, so because it didn't come out right. I don't know, sweet treat, Wip Chat or something like that. Anyway, I'm gonna try and film one of those. You won't get them, like I said, the day I actually work on them, because like I said, today is Saturday and I'm not sure when you're going to be able to see. It's going to come out sometime this week, but it'll be there for you to watch if that is what you choose to do with your free will and your time. If I could ask everybody to do those YouTube things, the like button, the thumbs up, the subscribe if you haven't. So, okay. These in here are a different color, and unfortunately, I can't see that color or the number, letter, whatever. It's the same as this one down here. We have to call in one of the kiddos to see which one that one is, because I don't have, well, I might have my flashlight handy that I use in my car. I do. Right here. Let's see what it is. Oh, sorry, that one made me jump. They are used. They are, yep, that color. Okay. That one made me jump. Wasn't prepared for that one. Had I had the window open, I could have probably prepared for it, but I didn't have the window open. There are more teas down here. Damon, don't start your shenanigans. Shh. Damon, don't start your shenanigans. Sis is with him. She's helping me today. Keep his shenanigans from happening. So, okay, and these were teas. I don't know why I keep putting the bottle back. I don't normally do that. But I don't normally film like this either. So, but I was cold, peoples. It is cold, rainy, wet, thunder, lightning, obviously. And I wanted to get something filmed, and then I didn't want to get out of bed, so I kind of combined the two. This one is an extremely dark green, right? And I'm hoping you can, I'm sure you'll be able to see it like in the light. You guys might not be able to see it, but I'm pretty sure you're going to be able to see it in the light. And probably better lighting than I have here. I can barely see it, but all right, this has got to come off because there's more use here. I'm sure you guys cannot see that because of the way I'm holding it. Okay. All right. We got some, we had added the greens up here and then the greens down here. And now we are on to a fabulous purple. And then it'll be those tiny, tiny teardrops, which I think are also purple. So, and then we will be done with this Arusta. What did they say? They were M's? Yes. This is that fabulous purple for the M's. I'm going to try and put that up there. Let's see. Alright, can you guys see the purple? Yes. The rest of his chest and lower body down here are these M's. And then the teardrops. So of course, Scott's dog is freaking out with all this thunder and lightning. Poor baby, I swear. She's good with wind. She's good with rain, right? The lightning kind of startles her once in a while, but that thunder, oh, that thunder messes with her bad, right? And I think a lot of dogs that way. My cat is laying, both of them are laying. One's laying right there. One's laying right over there. And normally they would be freaking out. But right now, they haven't even lifted their heads. They're like, I'm up here with mom. I know I'm fine. I'm not going to, nope, ain't gonna get to me. Somebody got up and said, not today, Satan. Both my kitties, like, not today. It has scared me twice now, and my kitties haven't moved. So, that a life of a cat. So, my fur babies are just kicking it today. They're like, Mom's home. Let's go. So, it looks like I missed an H. Didn't notice that until I was putting an M by it. H is this bright red up here, and for some reason there's one H right there. In between this purple and that brownish color we did a while ago. The W's are a brown color. So, I missed a W right there unless I moved it somewhere. Nope, I haven't moved it anywhere. Alright, that's the purple. Guys, I do have a question for everybody. I have, I guess, a favorite kind of metal tip, right? And this is one of them. It is really tiny down here at the bottom. I mean, it's not small, but I mean, it's tinier than the gold ones I have. It goes from bigger to little, and you can see the drill on the end. Oh, well, you're not even in it. On the end of the drill, or the pin, right? You can see the drill. This one is getting worn out. It doesn't hold the thing. I'm going to try and put different things in it. I'm going to put some blue tack in it and see if that helps. Still looking for the glue, the putty, the Gorilla Putty that Miss Linda uses. But does anybody know where I can find the tips that are smaller? I mean, they're regular tips, but they're the smaller ones. I hate those big ones. I hate them. You can't tell if you picked up a drill or not. So, okay, we got to fix a W. I only need one, so let's see if I can pour out just one. Don't thunder now. If I can find them, I need to order them. I can't remember where I got this one from, and that's the problem, is I just can't remember where I got it from. It's been a while. I've had it for a long time. I need one H. Ooh, it's coming down now. I'll have to watch this before I put it up, because I don't know if I'll be able to put it up with all that. If it gets too loud, guys, I'll just shut it off. Trying to hurry up and finish. One H right there. Okay, now all we have are the special drills, and we'll be done. And then I'll see if I can't even put this up. Okay, not wrong side. Whoop. Flip it around. This is the tool I use for the special drills. Can you see the small tip? Yeah, okay, and they're up here. Oop, there it is, right there. Small teardrops in like a light purple. Let's see if I can get a couple of them out. Just a few. Oop, way too many. Alright, flip some of them around. And they're going to go, I got 3 of them along the bottom, and they're right here on his chest, right? You're not going to be able to see this, but it's right there on the end of my thing, and they are going to go straight up right there. These are going upwards. So I try and pick them up where the tip is at the top and the bottom of the teardrop is downward. So I'm not having to flip them around. They're so teeny tiny. But this tool does help with them. When they are this teeny tiny, not even my tube placer can I use. I can't tell it's on there. Some of that problem is my vision. You know, everybody knows I wear glasses. Alright. Give it a good push down. Right? Let's get these in here before thunder hits and I just scatter them everywhere. Alright. They're safe. Be put away. Okay. On every diamond painting I do, I try to run my finger over the top of it because I can tell if a drill needs to be pushed down that way. Right? You can just tell a difference. Sometimes you can see a difference in a drill, and if that drill doesn't look right, and you know you didn't pick up a bad drill, it's probably because it needs to be pushed down. It feels like all of these are level and nicely pushed down. Right? I just push them down in that blue. For some reason that looks funny. There is no drill there. There is no drill on his eye, and there is no drill in here, which makes it look funny. I can't even see this guy's eye. Oh. Because that area that I'm saying is not looking good, the top of it is his eye. I looked on the back. His eye is way back here, like the tip of my thumb right there. Right? But this whole area right here is not done. And then his... Oh, wait a minute. His beak does have something on it. His beak has one of these, I believe. Yes, it is. Alright, 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 alright. I just need one of these. I want to stick my finger in here. And I'm going to get out a couple, because now I'm wondering if the one we did the other day has one of these. What they are is they're tiny teardrops, but they're yellow. Let me see, right here. They're the yellow teardrops. And I believe that is on his beak. I'm going to try and put it there. Even if it's not. I'm going to put it, you know, of course, point side down. Point side down. Right there. Oh, yes. I like it. I might go back and find me a black and put a black, just a regular acrylic for his eye, because I don't like that that's the only thing now. I was fine when I thought this was just his beak and eye is not. Yeah, it is. Look at that. I'm going to do them with all of them. I think that is what it needs. Yeah, I may go back and just put a black one in here, because this one doesn't have a black. I wonder if this really dark green would work. Let me put this yellow one up. I got an extra couple of yellow ones out that were for the beak. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I used my... I didn't use my flashlight on that before, and I just thought it wasn't. So I'm going back and adding a black or this dark green to both sides of this and to the one over there where his eye is. Right? I'm going to use my specialty tool and stick that in there. Yes. Like it loads more than just leaving it blank. Okay, now you saw me modify this on camera. I just stuck, it's like a green one for his eye on both sides. Okay, you come here. I'm going to try and stick a green one right up here without moving anything. Okay, now you can see his eye. Yes. All right. I'll do that one to the other side too when I do it. Okay, everybody, that is our For the Birds, right? Keychain right there. It's not going to be a keychain, but it's going to be on my tree, right? So these are used. Okay. I put the U back in, so I was like, what did I use? Put these eyes back in here. I want to thank everybody for stopping in today. This is the one we finished today. It is the smallest of all of them, right? Because I was trying, let me put this back up before I stick myself. Trying this camera view out. This is the one we did today. This is the one we did, and we just modified it by putting a dark green for the eye, right? So let's see, we got this one and this one. So everybody, thank you for logging in with me today. If you're watching this, if you do all those YouTube things, I would gladly appreciate it, right? Everyone, take care of yourself, because if you don't take care of yourself, you can't take care of anybody else. Remember to watch for your fur babies, your elderly, and the young ones. It is, the weather is crazy. Like I've said it before, I think Mother Nature has COVID. Let's pray for her and get her over this COVID thing soon so we can get back on with our regular scheduled program weather-wise. Everybody, right? From my family to yours, we want to send you our hugs. Let's see if I can do this. Our hugs, our love, and our prayers. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everybody.